Hello everyone and welcome to a new RC stuff video here from my workplace. And today we want to start to build the Ultra Stick from Hangar9. And I want to show you how you build one of the wings. And I show you the preparation, what you need, what kind of tools you need and what kind of glue you need. And then after that we want to build together the wing. That's including gluing the hinges and making the connections between the rudders and the servos with the push rods and stuff like this, and clavis and stuff like this. Yes, this we want to do now together, and I hope you have fun. So here you can see all the stuff we need to build the wing. You can see we have a small drill tool. We have all the screws and all the stuff we need for the build. We have two servos. We have here this thing, I don't know the name, for cutting the wires and cutting some stuff. We have a screwdriver. We have a pencil. We have a CA glue, we have Loctite, and we have some small pins, measuring tools. Here are a push rod. Here are the other push rods, and yes, that's all we need. Here we have also a tool for centering the servos before we build in the servos, and we have some tape. Yes, that's pretty much it, what we need. And of course we have extension cables for the servos. And now I want to show you the wing we want to build. Here's the right wing of the Hangar9 Ultra Stick. And what we want to do is to glue in the the aileron and to glue in the flap. Yes, and this is done with the CA hinges. And how I glue it in and how I prepare this for gluing in, this I want to show you now. Stay tuned. We start with the aileron. So take by side. The aileron has 4 of these CA hinges. And first what I do is take them out. And I prepare the hinges for the gluing. And I do this like this. I take them exactly in half, like this. I do this with everyone. With every hinge. Do them in half. Now I can see where is the half of the hinge. Okay, like this. Then I mark this. I hope you can see with the pencil where the half is, like this. Now I take these pins. We have 4 hinges, then we need 8 pins. And I do it like this. I stick a pin in the half line of the hinge. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to stick. Okay, like this. Another one on this side, exactly on the line. Okay, I can do it like this. Like this, and come like this. Okay. Now what we do is we go to the wing. I turn around. I hope you can see something. Okay, here's the wing. Now what we want to do is to take the aileron exactly like here the line is, and we have enough space here for the rudder. I show you when I turn it upside down. I hope you can see. Can you see something? Okay. Here you have the other side of the aileron, and we want to match these lines exactly, and here we have enough room for moving the rudder. First we have to drill holes here in the hinges, because of the glue can run into the rudder. We take this tool, and now we have to watch where we have to drill. Okay. Do you see something? Yes. Okay, like this. Now I drill into the cuts here. The same we do in the rudder. Oh, take care of the pins. I think that's a good idea to take this first. So, okay. You see, you have 3 holes here, and you have the horns, servo horns here, and you have this back plate, and you have 3 screws, and of course small nuts, screw nuts. Yes. Okay. What we have to do, we have to drill these holes here. You see here you can see the holes, but we have to this is here the downside. We have to take this horn on this direction. Now we screw this horn here. Maybe you need a cutting tool, I forget to say, for a little bit cutting the plastic. Okay, like this. Now we take a screw, screw it in a little bit, and then take it here on the rudder.
But did you ever try to puff on the left side? Put it up in your mind. It's gonna be alright. You run.
Okay, we tried. Now you see the screw come out here. We take the back plate and screw it in like this. So now you see the problem is here and here. The holes are not matching. That's not good. But we want to try to take the screw in. I hope it works.
But did you ever try to puff on the left side? Put it up in your mind. It's gonna be alright. You run. Drive.
This is done. Now we need the nuts. Small tiny nuts. Take it here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now I take thread locker, a little bit of thread locker. I use always this to test. So, okay. These screws are too long. We take this cutting tool and we cut them down. Just be careful of your eyes. Take some glasses or something. I take my hand. Okay. This is it. And now we can use a tool to lock them. Be careful because this is wood. One is done. The same we do with the flap. Back to the wing. Okay, same procedure. Now I take it in like before. Make sure that the hinges are really inside the rudder, not outside. Here you have to check. Okay, inside and inside, and the lines are okay. Here we have enough space. Now gluing. CA glue. Make sure the space is the same here and here, the space between the wing and the rudder, and here. And then you can glue. Flip it over like this. You can see something. Yes. And the same on this side. You can take out the pins. After that I take acetone. Just a little bit. And clean. The aileron is finished. You have a stable connection. Everything runs perfect. You see something? No, you see nothing. Okay, now you can see. Perfect. Okay, same we do with the flap. Flap is working fine and easy, and we have enough room. And now when you want, you can drill little holes here where the hinges are inside the wood, and take some toothpick or something for the safety. Then you never get a problem with these hinges. I like this kind of hinges. I want to show you how this fits inside. And we have to prepare the servo a little bit. We screw this out. We need this little rubber. These are the original parts from the servo, and you know, we need this rubber parts here. You take it here in the right direction, and then I use a pencil to mark the holes like this and this. Now we have to search for the center point of the servo. I'm using a servo tester for this, and here a BEC, you see. You just connect the servo to the right pin and then take it in, and now you can screw the servo, and here is the neutral point of the servo. That's one servo. Now another one from the flap. We have prepared the two servos, and now we need these extension cables, and then we can screw it in, drill the holes for this one. I have to search for these screws. I think there are this one. We flip over to the wing and then we screw it in. Okay friends, for mounting the servos you have to look. This one goes like this, and this one goes like this. And for the cables I have the extensions here. Here you have to come out with these extensions. Then I use, for this servo I use the shorter one, this one, and I'm using these clips. And now we tape it down. Now we need the drill. First you screw in the screw. I hope, oh, maybe I have to drill it bigger. One moment. So friends, I have decided to drill the holes a little bit bigger, 2 mm, because these screws are 3 mm and I don't want to destroy the wood. take a towel here inside and then take some CA glue in the hole and like this, you see? I think we make a cut here. And on the next video I show you how I screw it in and how we make the connection with the rods. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next video with connecting the servos and soldering the connection and testing the whole wing. That's enough for today. Next video we make the connections for the wires and we make the connections for the servos, and then we test the whole wing and we see us in the next video. I hope you like my work and you like my videos. When you like it, you can subscribe my channel for free and you can write me a comment when you like my work. When you not like my work, you can write me a comment also. Have a nice day. Bye.